Welcome to today's episode of the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make date and fig milkshake. So, it goes without saying, it's not just made with dates, not just with figs, but it's got some almonds in it. And continue watching to see what else we've added, but it was marvelous. I just had it. I was gonna do a tasting of it, but then when I made it, it just looked so delicious that I didn't want to wait half an hour to record this. I was like, let me just devour it. So that's what I did. So trust me when I say that this is something so worth having and something that you will not regret, and so nutritious, so delicious, so sweet, so yummy, so satisfying. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, so now we are going to commence with making the date and fig milkshake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 5 dates in, then about 5 almonds. You don't have to be absolutely specific, I would say. And then obviously it goes without saying, adding 4 figs inside as well. Now these figs that I've added in, these were dried figs. So what we've done is we've soaked it in water, like hot water, for the last 20 minutes, and so it softened it, which is kind of good and convenient for us. Now I've got like 1 glass of milk. I'm going to add that in, just a little bit less than 1 glass, because it's going to be a little bit of the juice that's going to be released from the grinding. And finally, I'm going to add in a pinch of cinnamon. Okay, I'm going to add in a pinch of cinnamon into there. And that seems good for us to go. And time to grind. Okay, you saw how to make that date and fig milkshake. Very delicious, very simple to make as well. And it's got various benefits of having it, not just in terms of it satisfying your taste buds, but it's just overall very good to have. Especially today I went to the gym and I was like, you know what, it'll be kind of good to have something of this nature, because it's got that, you know, that must have a lot of glucose in it. It must have fibrous as well. So it's got all of those things that you kind of need, that you lose as a result of strenuous exercise. So with that said, do like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Share this content to as many people as possible. And with that said, catch you in the next